11th January 2023. That's the exact date when we launched Lakshya Batch and Lakshya Scholarship. 12th January, CSIR HRDG tweeted that they're going to have the exam in May and June, and both exams are merged. Now, from that day till today, we received 755 applications. So far, 15 people have already enrolled. I'm looking for one last talented student who can make their mark into the Lakshya Batch. If you are the one, if you want to become a part of your dream and convert the dream into reality, then the time has come. Lakshya Batch, Lakshya ko har haal mein paana hai. It's now the time to achieve all the dreams you had for your research career. Biotecnika, in collaboration with numerous experts, is going to launch Lakshya Batch, and personalized attention, only 16 students, AI-powered classes, along with AI test series. We are going to revolutionize the way you study. Flowcharts, mind maps, concept tables, concept wheel, concept cloud, no matter whatever you'll require, Biotecnika is going to provide, along with 24/7 chat support, WhatsApp doubt solving through the faculties, and also self-study classes. So you'll have regular classes and then you'll have self-study classes. All that comes together in Lakshya Batch. This is a powerful combination. And this powerful combination is available only for the last one lucky student, and whoever calls first and enrolls will get it. Last one seat left, and we are giving away a flat 50% scholarship no matter whoever wants to take it. So you have the next few minutes or hours before anybody else enrolls. You can take that seat. All you have to do is dial our toll-free number, which is 1-800-1200-1818. No student must be left behind. No talented and hardworking student should ever face any difficulty. And that is the reason Lakshya Scholarship Batch also has monthly fees payment option and numerous other benefits. I am sure you have been through all the videos which we made about Lakshya Batch. So here is your last chance to grab 3 internships, which is Chem Informatics internship, Bioinformatics Global Tools and Techniques internship, and Coding for Biologist internship, along with 1 year of free workshops. R&D workshops, which will empower you beyond your CSIR net when you are doing your PhD. So imagine guys, so much is coming all inside one power-packed batch, and that is Lakshya Batch. So let's come together. Lakshya ko har haal mein paana hai. See you there in the class tomorrow at 7 p.m. Take care. Bye-bye.